Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M2 versus the Mustang EcoBoost. We'll dive into what makes each of these performance machines unique, helping you decide which one best fits your driving style and budget. From their distinct personalities to their on-road capabilities, we'll cover all the essential aspects. Get ready for a detailed look at these exciting cars. When it comes to performance, both cars offer thrilling experiences, but with different approaches. The M2, with its potent engine, delivers a refined and exhilarating drive, perfect for carving corners. The EcoBoost, on the other hand, provides impressive turbocharged power and a classic rear-wheel drive feel. You'll find distinct handling characteristics, with the M2 leaning towards European precision and the EcoBoost offering a more raw, engaging ride. Inside, you'll notice clear differences in philosophy. The M2 offers a more luxurious and driver-focused cockpit, featuring high-quality finishes and cutting-edge tech. The EcoBoost provides a comfortable and practical interior, with a focus on essential features and connectivity. When considering value, the M2 represents a premium investment, while the EcoBoost delivers a fantastic performance-to-price ratio, making it a compelling choice for many. For daily driving, both cars are surprisingly practical, though the EcoBoost might offer a bit more cargo flexibility. Ultimately, your choice depends on priorities. If you crave a sophisticated, high-performance driving instrument, the M2 is your pick. If you desire an exhilarating, value-packed sports car with a classic feel, the EcoBoost shines. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.